Welcome to the Feedback Loop Remote Viewing Starter Kit, your personal gateway to unlocking the hidden power of your very own mind. Deep inside each and every one of us lives a quiet, constant voice, the intuition. The subconscious is actually always whispering subtle impressions, those sudden premonitions, vivid precognitive dreams, and that unexplained knowing that something is about to happen. Yet, in the hustle and bustle of daily life, with phones buzzing, deadlines looming, and distractions left, right, and center, we've actually learned to disregard and ignore those subtle impressions coming from the subconscious. But what if we could tap into them? My name is Naeem, a professional remote viewer with over 15 years of experience, and I'm here to tell you about the fascinating skill of remote viewing. Remote viewing gives you a clear, structured, and repeatable way to start to hear those whispers from the subconscious again. This powerful skill was originally developed in secret and used by government intelligence programs to accurately gather information beyond the physical senses. Its research, development, and use remained classified for years until it was declassified in 1995 and made available to the general public. By learning these simple skills, you'll be able to harness your intuition and gently expand the limits of your awareness, tapping into information in a way that seems to defy our current understanding of space and time and raises questions about the true potentials of the human mind. So here's how a remote viewing session actually works. You sit at a desk with nothing but a pen and a paper. You're given nothing but a blind target. This is a random code, no clues or no hints whatsoever. The target could be anything in the world, a person, a place, an event, an object. Now, using nothing but your intuition, you have to follow the steps and gather impressions. And it's not until you're done writing and sketching is the target actually revealed and you get to see what it is. And that's where the magic happens. Join me, Naeem, as we delve into the fascinating skill of non-local perception using remote viewing. And over the next few videos, I'll walk you step by step on how to harness your intuition through remote viewing and experience it for yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started.